Hey guys! Welcome to USA and Canada immigration updates. Please subscribe to our channel for more latest and useful videos. U.S. non-immigrant visa ban expires. After much speculation, the Biden administration has selected to permit previous President Trump's non-immigrant visa boycott to lapse on March 31st. The boycott was initially given in an executive order in June 2020 and principally influenced the capacity of those in H-1B, L-1, or J-1 status to get a visa at a U.S. embassy abroad. While the Trump administration's underlying objective of lessening lawful movement by in any event half was obstructed in Congress, the COVID-19 pandemic furnished the administration with the guise expected to sanction its visa boycott. In the melting away days of his administration, President Trump broadened the boycott until the finish of March 2021. It was set to lapse in December 2020, and its end addresses some re-established trust for the worldwide ability that is basic to re-establishing the texture of our economy. Notwithstanding the finish of the visa boycott, considerable headwinds actually exist for those expecting to travel globally. Similarly, as the pandemic is continually changing, the still appropriate travel boycotts, isolate, and COVID testing necessities are mind-numbingly unpredictable and remain exceptionally liquid. It is imperative to highlight that in spite of the finish of the visa boycott, President Biden has proceeded with the material nation travel boycotts that influence people situated in the Schengen area, UK, Ireland, China, Brazil, South Africa, and Iran, according to Presidential Proclamation 10,043. These people can't go without acquiring a National Interest Exception, NIE, from a U.S. government office abroad. Likewise, most U.S. government offices actually have restricted activities and have a restricted staff. Accordingly, these arrangements at numerous departments are not accessible until later this fall, and a few postpones persevere until mid-2022. Public Interest Exception Standard: how can a worker qualify? Whenever affected by the nation boycotts, a laborer can stand by until the year's end or later for a potential visa arrangement or apply for a NIE. The Biden administration renounced the underlying August 2020 Department of State direction for applying for an exemption and established another norm. To fit the bill for a NIE, the candidate should offer fundamental help to an area of basic foundation. The Department of Homeland Security characterizes 16 basic framework regions, and they envelop regions including substance, energy, monetary administrations, medical services, and data innovation, to give some examples. Obviously, what comprises giving essential help isn't altogether clear. In any case, ongoing encounters show that NIEs can be achieved obliged travel that is critical and convincing in nature. The way into an effective NIE demand lies in aptly conveying the explanations behind movement alongside the space of basic framework that would profit by the candidate's prior appearance into the U.S. Obviously, it is additionally insightful to disclose the possible damage to the international safe haven if the NIE is denied. One profoundly significant factor that should be considered is the issue of why the candidate's actual presence in the U.S. is required. As our reality is currently adjusted to far-off work, any fruitful NIE demand should clarify why choices, for example, video conferencing, teleworking, or activities performed by other people who are now in the U.S., would not be adequate to address business issues. It is likewise imperative to take note of that people who as of now have substantial visas in the geographic territories subject to Presidential Proclamation 10,043 are not absolved from the boycott. Those candidates would either have to contact a U.S. government office for a NIE exemption or go through 14 days in an unrestricted country before they would have the option to make a trip to the U.S. Thanks for watching this video. For any further information, kindly contact us on the email mentioned on the screen. Thank you.